Please subscribe, follow and like engineeringall.com.
Floor tiles, an integral element of interior design, serve as both functional surfaces and aesthetic enhancers in buildings across Nigeria. The price range for floor tiles is diverse and dynamic, influenced by an array of factors including material, quality, design, brand, and market trends. To make informed decisions regarding tile selection and budget allocation, it's essential to have a comprehensive understanding of these facets. In this detailed exploration, we delve into the intricate details of floor tile prices in Nigeria, considering various tile types, quality levels, and evolving market dynamics. Factors influencing floor tile prices. 1. Tile material. The material of a floor tile significantly impacts its price. Common options include ceramic, porcelain, marble, granite, terrazzo, and vinyl. Each material offers distinct attributes in terms of durability, aesthetics, and production costs, which subsequently affect pricing. For instance, porcelain and natural stone tiles are generally more expensive due to their enhanced durability and sophisticated aesthetics. 2. Tile size and design. The size and design complexity of tiles also contribute to their pricing. Larger tiles often incur higher costs due to the challenges in manufacturing, handling, and installation. Additionally, tiles with intricate designs or complex patterns require specialized production techniques, resulting in elevated prices. 3. Quality and grade. Tiles are categorized into various grades based on quality. Higher grade tiles exhibit fewer imperfections, better color consistency, and superior durability. While these tiles command higher prices, they offer enhanced value in terms of both longevity and aesthetics. 4. Brand and manufacturer. Renowned brands and reputable manufacturers are often associated with high-quality products. Consequently, their floor tiles may come with a premium price tag due to the trust consumers place in their reliability and performance. 5. Country of origin. The country of origin can significantly impact the cost of floor tiles. Imported tiles from countries renowned for their expertise in tile production, such as Italy, Spain, and Turkey, might be more expensive due to shipping costs, import duties, and the perceived quality linked to these origins. 6. Availability and demand. Tiles in high demand or limited supply may be priced higher due to market dynamics. Additionally, unique or trendy designs that cater to specific preferences might command a premium price owing to their exclusivity. Price ranges for different tile types. 1. Ceramic tiles. Ceramic tiles are a popular and affordable choice for many homeowners. Prices can vary widely based on factors such as size, design intricacy, and brand reputation. Basic ceramic tiles can start as low as 1,000 per square meter, while larger or more intricate designs can range between 2,000 and 5,000 per square meter. 2. Porcelain tiles. Porcelain tiles, known for their durability and versatility, come in a range of prices. Depending on factors such as size, grade, design complexity, and brand, prices can span from 2,500 to 10,000 per square meter. The versatility of porcelain tiles makes them suitable for various spaces, both residential and commercial. 3. Natural stone tiles. Natural stone tiles, including marble and granite, offer a touch of luxury and individuality to spaces. Prices for natural stone tiles are significantly influenced by the rarity of the stone and its quality. As such, prices can range from 5,000 to 20,000 or more per square meter, making them a premium option for those seeking elegance and uniqueness. 4. Vinyl tiles. Vinyl tiles are known for their affordability and ease of maintenance. Prices start from 2,000 per square meter for basic designs, making them a budget-friendly choice. Premium vinyl tiles with advanced features and designs can cost up to 6,000 per square meter. 5. Terrazzo tiles. Terrazzo tiles, with their artistic and visually appealing patterns, fall within the higher price range. Prices can range from 5,000 to 15,000 per square meter, depending on the intricacy of the design. Terrazzo tiles are often chosen for spaces where aesthetics and uniqueness are paramount. Market trends and considerations. 1. Local versus imported tiles. While imported tiles are often associated with superior quality and unique designs, local manufacturers are producing competitive options that cater to various preferences and budgets too. Bulk purchases. For builders, contractors, and property developers, bulk purchases can lead to significant discounts and cost savings. Negotiating bulk rates with suppliers is a common strategy to optimize expenses. 3. Research and comparison. Conducting thorough research, comparing prices from multiple suppliers, and visiting showrooms are essential steps in the decision-making process. Viewing tiles in person allows you to assess their quality, color, texture, and overall suitability for your space. 4. Installation costs. Beyond tile prices, it's essential to factor in installation costs. Labor, adhesives, grout, and other installation-related expenses contribute to the overall budget. Consulting with experienced professionals can help provide accurate estimates. In conclusion, the price range for floor tiles in Nigeria is influenced by a myriad of factors, each contributing to the overall value and appeal of the tiles. By comprehensively understanding these factors and their interplay, individuals, homeowners, architects, and designers can make well-informed decisions that align with their aesthetic preferences, functional requirements, and budget constraints. As the Nigerian design and construction landscape continues to evolve, the considerations surrounding floor tile prices remain an essential aspect of creating spaces that are both visually captivating and functionally effective.
For watching, please hit the red button to subscribe for more videos. Please follow and like engineeringall.com in all social media.